Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning. Welcome again in Classroom Reader. Are you ready, students? Old MacDonald's farm animals. Hello, Old MacDonald's. Where are all the animals? Where are the animals? Where are they? Do you find the animals? Moo! What's that sound? Moo! Which animal is it? Moo! Wow! Which sound is it? Moo! It is a cow! There is it! Wow! The cow! Moo! There you are, cow. Woof woof! What's that sound? Woof woof! Which animal is it? Woof woof! Woof woof! Do you know what sound is it? Woof woof! Woof woof! It is a dog! Wow! The brown dog! Woof woof! There you are, dog! Good dog! What's that sound? Oink oink! Oink oink! Which animal is it? Oink oink! Do you know what sound is it, student? Oink oink! Oink oink! It is a pig! Hello, pig! What color is the pig? Pink! Good! The pig is pink! Oink oink! Shh! What's that sound? Ba! Ba! Which animal is it? Ba! Ba! Do you know what sound is it? Ba! Ba! It is a sheep! Ba! Look at the sheep. It is laughing. Ba! Ba! What's the color of the sheep? It is white. Good. Quack, quack. What's that sound? Quack, quack. Which animal is it? Quack, quack. Do you know what sound is it, student? Quack, quack. Quack, quack. Quack, quack. Which sound is it? Quack, quack. It is a duck. Quack, quack. What color of the duck? Good. It is yellow. The duck has yellow color. Quack, quack. Woof, woof. Woof, woof. Moo. Moo. What a noisy farm! Bah, bah, quack, quack. Hmm. Okay, student, thank you.